Good morning, students. Today we are going to derive the Miller's method. It is a multi-step method which requires the solution of the given initial problem at the past 4 points, suppose T0, T1, T2 and T3. To solve the differential equation numerically by this method, a predictor formula is used to calculate the value of y at Tj plus 1, and then this value is improved by the corrector formula. So therefore, the derivation of the Miller's method is given by, it is a multi-step method which requires the solution of the given initial value problem at the past 4 equidistant points T0, T1, T2 and T3. It is a multi-step method which requires the solution of the given initial problem at the past 4 equidistant points T0, T1, T2 and T3. To solve the differential equation by this method, first we use the predictor formula to evaluate the value of y at Tj plus 1. Then this value is improved by the corrector formula. In this method, we use the forward and backward differences. Therefore, we use the forward and backward differences. Let us consider the following initial value problem. The initial value problem is given by, this is dy by dt equals to f of d phi with an initial condition when t equal to t0, then y equals to y0. Now Now integrating first over the interval t0 to t0 plus 4h, then we get this can be written as this equals to integral of dy within the limit t0 to t0 plus 4s equals to integral of f of t comma y dt. This is t0 to t0 plus 4h. After integrating we have this equals to, we know that when t equal to t0, so this value is y0, so therefore we can write this is y0 and this can be written as this is y0 to y4. When t equal to t0, then y equal to y0, or when t equal to t0 plus 4s, it is y4, because suppose when the t equal to t0, so this is y0, when this is t0 plus h, this is y1, or this is t0 plus 2h, it is y2, and this is t0 plus 3h, this is y3, and this is t0 plus 4h, this is y4. It is given that when t equal to t0, y is y0, suppose at t equal to t0 plus h, suppose it is y1, it is y2, it is y3. So therefore we have to find out the value of y4, but we know that we need 4 equidistance values before we need the preceding values of y4. So therefore for integrating we have this is y within the limit y0 to y4, this equals to, this is integral t0 to t0 plus 4s, this is f ty dt. After integrating and applying the limits, we have upper limit is y4, lower limit is y0 equals to, so this is y4 minus y0 equals to, this is t0 to t0 plus 4h, this is f of t comma y, this is dt. This is y4 equals to, this is y0. Now we use the Newton's forwarded difference formula. So the Newton's forwarded difference formula is given by, this is f0 plus u into del of f0 plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2, this is del 2 f of 0 plus u into u minus 1, this is u minus 2 upon factorial 3, this is del 3 f of 0 plus u into u minus 1, this is u minus 2, u minus 3 upon factorial 4, del 4 f of 0 plus and so on. So here we apply the Newton's forward differences formula. After simplifying, we have this equals to y4 is y0. Here we can write here u equals to t minus t0 by h. So therefore we can write t equal to t0 plus hu. this can be written as dt equals to h du. So here dt equal to h du. So therefore this can be written as therefore y4 equals to this integral is t0 to t0 plus 4x. Therefore y4 equals to this is y0 plus, here we have assumed that u equal to t minus t0 by h. So when we are applying the limits of t, when we are putting t equal to t0, then it is u equals to 0. Or when we are putting t equal to t0 plus 4h, t0 is cancelled out, 4h upon h which is 4. So this limit is 4, this is h. We have seen that dt equal to h du. So therefore this is f0 plus u del of f0 plus u into u minus 1 upon factorial 2. This is del 2 f of 0 plus u into u minus 1. This is u minus 2 upon factorial 3. This is del 3 f of 0 plus u into u minus 1, u minus 2. This is u minus 3 upon factorial 4. This is del 4 f of 0 du. Dt is h du. H is outside the integral. Now we have this is y0 plus h. If you integrate, then we have this equals to, this is u f of 0. This can be written as this is h integral of 0 to 4. This is f0 plus u del of f0. We know that u into u minus 1 is, this is u square minus u upon 2 del 2 f of 0. After multiplying u into u minus 1 into u minus 2, we have u cube minus 3u square plus 2u by 6. This is del 3 f of 0 plus, after multiplying these linear factors, we have this is u4 minus 6u cube plus 11u square minus 6u upon 24. It is the multiplication of these factors, u into u minus 1, u minus 2, u minus 3, which is u4 minus 6u cube plus 11u square minus 6u upon 24 del 4 f of 0 plus and so on. This is d. We integrate with respect to u and applying the limits of integration, we have this is y4 equals to this is y0 plus h. This is h, this is u f of 0, this is u squared by 2 del of f of 0, this is u cube by 3 minus u squared by 2 into 1 upon 2 del 2 f of 0 plus 1 by 6. This is u 4 by 4 minus 3 u cube by 3 plus 2 u square by 2 del 3 f of 0. u 4 by 4, this is minus 3u by 3, 3 is cancelled out, 2 is cancelled out, this is 2u square by 2, this is del 3 by 3 plus it is 1 by 24 u5 by 5 minus 6u 4 by 4 plus 11 u cube by 3 minus 6 u square by 2. Within the limit plus and so on, within the limit 0 to 4. Applying upper and lower limit, finally we have y4 equals to this is y0 plus h, this is 4 f of 0 plus 8 del f of 0 plus 20 by 3 del 2 f of 0 plus 8 by 3 del 3 of f of 0 plus 28 by 90, this is del 4 f by 0 plus and so on. So after applying the upper limit and lower limit, we find y0 plus h into 4 of f of y0 plus 8 del of f of 0 plus 20 by 3 del 2 f of 0 plus 8 by 3 del 3 f of 0 plus 28 by 90 del 4 f by 0 plus and so on. Finally, we have this can be written as, this is y4 equals to y0 plus, which can be written as 4h by 3, this is 4h by 3. Now here f of 0, del of f of 0, del 2 f of 0, del 3 f of 0 and del 4 f of 0, these are the forward differences. So therefore we substitute the value of these forward differences. Here the forward differences, here del of f of 0 is f1 minus f of 0, it is the first forward difference, or this is del 2 f of 0, so which is f2 minus 2 of f1 plus f of 0. The third forward difference at f0 equals to, this is 3 f of 3, this is f of 3 minus 3 f2 plus 3 f1 minus f of 0, etc. We can write the higher order of forward differences, and first forward difference, second forward difference, third forward difference, similarly fourth forward difference. We substitute the value of these forward differences in this lesson, then finally we get and neglect after fourth forward differences. So finally we get substitute this value, finally we get y4 equals to, this is y0 plus 4h by 3, this is 2f1 minus f2 plus 2f3 plus 28 by 90 del 4 h into del 4 by f. This can be written as y4 equals to y0 plus 4h by 3. This is 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2 y3 dash plus 28 by 90. This is h, this is y4, this is y0, this is y, this is y0 dash. This is 4h by 3. This is 2y1 dash minus y2 dash plus 2y3 dash plus 28 by 93 h del 4 y0 dash. This is del 4 y0 dash. This is known as Milne's Milne's predictor formula. So this formula predicts the value of y4 at t equal to t0 plus 4h. Then this value is improved by the Milne's character formula. So the Milne, we will derive the Milne's character formula in the next lecture. Thank you. Have a nice day.